1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming out there from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we have a fun song, Gloria by Van Morrison. Not the hardest song, maybe for beginners, but not for advanced players. But it's a fun song. It's good for your workout for the right hand, and actually the switching is not that easy. We got E major, 1, 2, 3. We got D major, but actually let's play D major like this, just A string and B string, and mute the E, and then we got A major, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the switching is E, 1, 2, D, A, E, D, A, E, D, A, E, D, A. Down. Say. Yeah, so from the D to A is pretty fast. D, A. Speed it up. A little bit over the verses. Put your hand on the bridge. And now for the chorus, we open up. Hey! And then we got some hits. 1, 2, 3, D, A, A, D, E, E, D, A, D, E, E, D, A, E, 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 D, A. Those hits again. E, 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 D, A, D, E, E, D, A, E, 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 D, A. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gloria. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Have a great day. Be safe. I'll see you tomorrow.